It's the Apptrepreneur. Bring it out. Okay, so you all know that the Xbox Series X, that didn't quite work out too well. And here's the thing, I know it's just a few days until I get it, but the thing is I really want to play the Xbox. You have no idea how much it's killing me to play new Xbox. So I did it. I snuck it. I got the Xbox Series S. I guess I could just use this as like a backup or something at the other house that I own, because I own two, obviously. So anyway, boy, I can't wait to actually start playing some games. We're gonna do the unboxing that we should have done the last time. So anyway, let's open this box. As you can see, it's
Oh, you picked it up for the kids. Thanks, honey.
Honey.
Christmas.
Honey.
Christmas.